So big news recently, ThriveCart, which sells tools to build e-commerce carts. Those are checkout carts for people to buy products, specifically digital products, raised $35 million. What does this mean for you? Well, specifically, if you look at what ThriveCart does, and I'm going to show you how I use it so you can understand that. But right now, ThriveCart has a lifetime deal, meaning you can buy this for a one-time payment. But the simple fact that they just raised $35 million, meaning this company has invested into this tool that allows businesses, it allows you as a content creator, as an affiliate marketer even, to create upsell funnels and bump offers. And I'm going to explain all that in this video and what this opportunity means for you. The fact that ThriveCart just got $35 million, the first opportunity for you is you can get this and you can use this to sell your own products, but you can also use this as an affiliate marketer to give products away as bonuses for free and increase the overall perceived and real value of the fact that they go through your process for your products that you're selling. But the big opportunity is the fact that there's a lifetime opportunity, or there's an opportunity to get a lifetime deal, meaning you can pay once and you can use this. Again, you can see how I use this in my business, and I'm going to show you a few examples. But the idea and the concept here is you're getting a good deal based on the fact that there is a lifetime deal for ThriveCart. There's a link in the description, and this will most likely be going away because of the money that they received, the $35 million, to back the company and to build it out and to make it one of the premier carts along the lines of Pay Kickstart or Samcart or the other marketplaces like Warrior Plus or ClickBank or any of those marketplaces that are used or that you may use as an affiliate to sell products. This has it all built in. Now, how do I use this? Inside of ProductDyno, when I build out products, which are digital information products or collections of products, which if you've seen my video here on the channel about these special reports I'm giving away, what really works in internet marketing, and you've logged into your members area, you'll see that inside of ProductDyno, I'm actually delivering these digital products, but the checkout process, the process that people have to go through if you want to actually get access to this, is through a sales page. That sales page is actually hosted. If I scroll all the way down to the bottom, you can see here, this is powered by ThriveCart. I built this sales page, this entire page, the entire process of giving away or selling this product, this digital information product, is powered by ThriveCart. So you can see here, I have the sales page. It's set up for free inside of ProductDyno, but it's also a choose your own price. So if somebody wanted to give me $3, then they could give me $3 for this. You could set this up in different ways. You can also use the affiliate program and allow other people to promote this for you, and you can set that all up inside of ThriveCart. Now, there is a different opportunity. If you're inside of my affiliating course, you can see inside of this area, this is ProductDyno again. This is the platform that I use to deliver the information products. You can see here that this product, I'm actually selling this from a sales page, a more traditional sales page. And if you were to click on this yellow button and scroll down here, you can see that this checkout page is an embedded checkout, which is again part of ThriveCart. So I'm using ThriveCart to sell affiliating, which is my training for how to do everything inside of affiliate marketing, how to get started and run a profitable online business. But you can see that this is an embedded checkout page or a cart page inside of a sales page versus what I'm doing here where the checkout or the customer is prompted here on the page itself that is actually hosted by ThriveCart. Now, what does that look like inside of ThriveCart? When you're inside of ThriveCart, you set up products. And when you set up these products, you can create upsells, you can create downsells, you can also create A/B or split tests, you can add coupons. Now here, when you add coupons, this gives you the ability, when you add a coupon, to give away a product as a bonus. You could actually set up a coupon, give a coupon code to the people that purchase products through you as an affiliate. So if someone purchases a product from you as an affiliate, then you can give them a coupon code, give them a checkout page, then they can access your product, get it for free. But you train them to go through the process. You train them that, hey, I also have my own products for sale. And you give them this experience of going through the checkout process like you see here when someone lands, or they use the link in the description to get this special report in that video I told you about. And I'll link that as well. And you've seen that here on the channel where I give away this report. I showed you here that you could also get it for $3, but you simply go through this process. It's going to be free. You have this power here to add a bump. So you can see here when they select that, the price rises to $7. This is a function you need to understand and learn as a marketer. So starting off as an affiliate marketer, understanding that if you have your own cart, you can create your own products. If you create your own products, that creates real and perceived value for you as a marketer. When you are promoting a product as an affiliate, you can say, hey, check it out, buy this product, I'll give you my product, which has a real price, and you set the price inside of Thrivecard. You create a sales page, then you give someone a coupon code. They utilize that coupon code, they go and check out through Thrivecart. The product that you've created and actually put out for sale, a real product with a real price, they're getting that product for free. Again, real value, perceived value of them going through the checkout process, utilizing your checkout process that you're using from your lifetime deal that you got with Thrivecart that's available right now. This is early 2023, January 23. When I'm hearing about this news about Thrivecart getting a $35 million investment to make their product even better, and to me, that means this opportunity for the lifetime deal of Thrivecart is going to be going away soon. So be sure to check out the link in the description. Check out the lifetime deal for Thrivecart. And if you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't miss out on this opportunity. And I'll talk to you later.